Press the pH calibration menu key to enter. Select the pH channel. Tap pH calibration. Two pH calibration modes are available. The first mode uses buffer solutions of 4.0, 6.86, and 9.18. The second mode uses buffer solutions of 4.0, 7.0, and 10.01. Calibration is performed using 4.0, 6.86, and 9.18 buffer solutions in this procedure. First, rinse the electrode thoroughly with clean water. Then blot it dry with a lint-free tissue. After drying, perform calibration with the 6.86 buffer solution first. Put the electrodes into the 6.86 standard sample and stir evenly. Select 6.86 and click to enter. Wait for the millivolt MeV reading to stabilize. The normal millivolt reading for 6.86 is within 15 MeV. Press confirm once stable. 6.86 calibration is completed. Rinse the electrode thoroughly with clean water before calibrating the next buffer solution. Blot dry with a lint-free tissue after rinsing. Proceed with calibration using the 4.0 buffer solution. Put the electrode into the 4.0 standard solution and stir evenly. Tap to start 4.0 buffer solution calibration. Wait for the millivolt MeV reading to stabilize. The normal millivolt reading for 4.0 buffer solution is approximately 170 MeV. Press OK once stable. 4.0 buffer solution calibration is completed. Rinse the electrode thoroughly with clean water again before calibrating the next buffer solution. Blot dry with a lint-free tissue. Put the electrodes into a 9.18 standard solution for calibration. Put in the electrodes and gently stir evenly. Tap to start 9.18 calibration. Wait for the millivolts to stabilize. The normal millivolt reading for 9.18 buffer solution is approximately 120 MeV. Press OK once stable. Calibration is fully completed.